I have been forcing myself to think positive. I've been doing everything I can to fix my mindset. But why isn't it working? Why is manifesting so hard for me? Even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Even though I've been trying to think positive and fix my mindset, I love and accept myself anyway. And I'm realizing now it's not just about my thoughts, it's about my nervous system. So I'm open to healing myself from the inside out now. Okay, let's move to the eyebrow point. I've done so much mindset work, so much journaling and positive affirmations. But why do I still feel anxious in my body? Why am I still so attached to the outcome? When things don't go my way, I spiral. Doubts and fears creep in. It's just so frustrating. I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself anyway. And I'm open to the idea that maybe I don't need a better mindset. It's not about fixing my mind. Maybe it's about feeling safe in my body. The underarm here. I've been ignoring my emotions, but not anymore. I'm no longer thinking my way into healing. I'm feeling my way through it now. I'm releasing judgment towards myself, releasing all of the anxiety in my mind and body. My nervous system was just trying to protect me. But I'm reminding my body that it's safe to receive my manifestation. It's also safe to feel every emotion. I can handle the fears, the doubts, and the frustration. They're just temporary. Those emotions are not wrong. I don't need to fix every feeling or thought right away. I just need to be present with myself. It's safe to feel it all. In this moment, I choose to be here. It's safe to be here now. I'm learning to create safety from within. And that is where my true healing begins.